Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Penn. Welcome back to my channel. In order for this to even make sense in terms of why is there a laptop right there when I'm doing a product review on Logitech, and I'm going to have to like record this in just two parts. So this is the G203. I have the Logitech mechanical keyboard. I have two of them. One of them is right here. So if I could just scoot this, can sort of see it, but it makes sense later. Don't worry. I'm gonna have to tighten everything up, but this is going to be for my streaming PC. So watch the previous video before you watch this one, just so everything can make sense. Let me just open this up. I'm just gonna tear it open. Nothing crazy. Okay. All right, everything's out of it. Okay. And this is the main thing that people want to see is the actual mouse. So I want to plug this up to my new streaming PC, which is the laptop video that I did earlier. So it lights up, you know, RGB, all that. It does what it needs to do. That's how it looks. My camera focus better when I'm away from it like this. So but get this hooked up now, actually. All right, so I know this is like a rush job, but I gotta finish setting up the streaming PC. So yeah, as you can see, definitely going to come alive in a nighttime environment, dim lights. And then, you know, it's just a very simplistic and just a mouse that just match the vibe of, you know, what I'm going for at the desk. Comfortable too. Simple design, simple works. No hassle, no extra, nothing, just Logitech at work. All right, put that right there. And then I'm going to have to do the keyboard after I clean this up. So that's coming soon. All right, so just continuing on, I got the streaming PC. Essentially, it's like 90% set up, and it's not going to be in this location. You know, just when me getting things together, downloading drivers, the necessary programs, OBS, and whatever. This is a cool spot for now until I get everything organized. So this is the Logitech Pro. And essentially what it is that it's a mechanical keyboard. I'm gonna have all the links and in the description so you guys can like check it out and purchase this if you want. You see, I've already set up one of these. One is hooked up to my gaming PC, and then the other one is going to be hooked up to my streaming PC, which is this laptop right here. The prior upload where I show off the setup and things like that, this is all going to tie together and make sense. But for now, let's get this unboxed. So you can see here, it says Logitech Pro. It's packaging, RGB, all that. Just how I like it. And I'm just going to like quickly get this open. So I'm not going to be wasting too much time here. Put that off to the side like that. So looks like that. And I'm just going to crank this bad boy open. There we go. Completely empty. Empty that. Okay. So we have instruction manuals and things, general information for software download. That's cool. So See, this is the cable that you're going to connect one end into the actual keyboard and the other end into your computer of your choosing. So that's this right here. And this is the actual keyboard. So it's literally what you see right here. So you can look towards the lower right hand corner just so you can see what it's going to look like. But got the same keyboard twice. All right. So there you go. You can turn off the RBG here. And then this is like a dedicated game mode button, which is pretty slick because you can have it to where the software can disable certain key inputs if a game you're playing doesn't require for you to use all of your keys. So that makes sense. Take some of this plastic off and all that. All right. None more. Oh, some more on here. I forgot. Okay. That should be good to go. Yep, just about. Now on the back, you're able to get these raised. So if you want your keyboard to be in a more raised position, you can do that. Let me show you right quick if I can. Boom. So, and this is like a wood table, nothing crazy, but you can do that. I prefer to have mine's just flat, but some people may like that. So, boom. Now it just comes time to like just hook this up and just get everything looking right in the software. But this was just an unboxing and things like that. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so before I wrap up this video, as you can see, I have the gaming PC configured. This is with the software downloaded. Windows got something called dynamic lighting, which it can take control of your RGB keyboard. So to keep in mind, you have to turn that stuff off. I may have to I may do a follow-up video explaining that, but basically on the right, everything is set up, including the software. On the left, I literally just plug this into the PC, plug and play, no software installation, and I haven't turned off dynamic lighting on the streaming PC. So pretty much, I just wanted some more consistency in the setup, and when I'm playing and streaming at night, it's gonna look good, with all this RGB goodness, things like that. All right, so some of you are wondering, yo, this can't be this guy's setup. It's not. Everything's a little bit all over the place. It's going to be a little bit more neater, when I do the final video. But hey, so far so good. So if you like what you see, please comment. If you're interested in checking these out, go ahead. What keyboards do you have? What's your setup? What are you gaming on? Let's just get a conversation going, guys. Please be respectful, to others in the comments. And of course, to the creator, myself. And we just going to get the ball rolling again. So until next time, peace out, and thank you for watching. Take care.